What is up, YouTube? Well, got a new video for you today. So once we got back from the flea market, we started going through a few things. You wanted to mess around with some wiring, clean it up a little bit, pull the dash out, whatever. And you know how it is with these things, it kind of snowballs from one thing to the next and to the next. And started pulling valve covers, checking lash, and some things were a little bit iffy. So I'll get into that, but basically this is just going to be a maintenance video and why you should always stay on top of your maintenance. We're about to tear this thing down, take the intake off, and check the lifters, push rod ends, all that happy stuff. So this is my chicken scratch. I know, go ahead and roast me in the comments, but you can see cylinder 8, it's got some excessive lash, which typically indicates something on the valve train's wearing out. And to be honest, this is the first time we even checked the lash in this thing. It's a new engine, and we've only driven it a handful of times, but we decided to go ahead and do it, and I'm glad we did. So I believe it was calling for right around 20 thousandths cold on the intake. We have 28 and 32 on the exhaust, which I think was supposed to be 24 thousandths. You can see everything else is pretty good. Cylinder 1 on the intake's a little loose too. We're going to go ahead and check that, but the main concern is just the back cylinder for now. So we're going to tear this thing down, and I'll see you then. Alright, so it's been about an hour. Got the distributor out, got the intake out, carb off, all that shit. So, gotta take the valve covers off, take the rockers off, and keep on keeping on. I'd say that's it right there.
Yeah. No play at all. Nice and smooth. They look good.
Yeah, they do.
It's real good. Okay. Just look at the loads. Good.
Everything looked good in the valve train on number 8, so we put it all back together. Now I'm just going to relash everything and try to get it fired up tonight.
That's good.
Well, we're getting there. Gonna put the brake bar on, spin this thing over, get it top dead center on cylinder 1 with both valves closed. Drop the distributor the rest of the way in, and make sure that the rotor's in sync with everything. Point it at cylinder number 1, and we'll be in good shape. Just about ready to fire it back up. Alright dudes, we're getting there slowly but surely. Got the distributor back in, got the plugs back in, throttle linkage back on, intake torque down. Just putting the plug wires back on. He cut the shit out of his finger.
It felt good.
But we're about ready. Probably another 15-20 minutes and we'll be in there.